So air filter is 2 Phillips head screws there and there. I upgraded to a magnetic dish, and then it pulls up and away that way. It's got 2 lugs that go in there and lift it away. And that actually looks brand new. The last guy must have really looked after this, but he's saying it needs a service, so I'll do it anyway. So this is a new one from Euro Car Parts. That's your part number. Bosch, only the best. Okay, she's in. Just make sure the lip of the filter lines up with the housing so it doesn't snag. And you close it, that's right. But much easier with 2 hands. There she is, buttoned up again. Next bit, the oil, I guess. So the engine cover, it's like 2 pegs. Ooh, on that side, one that side, and then it sort of slides off forward like that. One's cracked. That's your oil filter housing. Drain the oil next. I'm having to take the under tray off to drain the oil. T25 Torx bit. And you can see they're on the left and right edges of the tray. I've actually jacked the car up to get to these. It's a bit of a pain. Okay, so the tray is off. There's my pen for the oil. I can't really see it at first. It's the plugs at the back of the engine. So it's about here. It's a 19mm socket. Taking it off, drain the oil. I had to cut that short. I used expletives because I dropped my ratchet in there. That's the oil draining. So yeah, 19mm spanner. I will use a 36mm, I think it is, on the oil filter housing now, which is up here. I think it's a 36. I don't know. There's actually a torque value on there. Is that 2.5? 2.5 to 5? 25? 2.5. I had to use a shifter because
Can I try in the car?
Try what in the car?
Try me in the car.
No.
Oh.
Say hi.
Is this a dirty one in here?
That's a clean filter. This is the dirty one here. Just trying to get it out without. Ew.
Ew. Oh, it's getting a bit of mold at it.
Is there more oil coming out the bottom?
Yeah.
I think I've got the car on too much of an angle to get all the old oil out anyway. That's the old one. Blech. Okay, so it's out. Take the old oil ring off of there. Bosch again. That's the type you need. Go in Euro Car Parts. There's a number. I might put these in the description, probably not. Take that out, nice and clean. There should be a, there we go, an O-ring. So use some oil, lube it up, slap it back on now. I'll do that. There we go. O-ring under my thumb. That's a new clean filter. It just pushes in to the housing, and that goes in there. Then tighten up to 2.5 to 5 to 25 to 50 to whatever. Just back in. New stem plug, new washer, never scrimp, always get new. £3. Right, oil fill time. Evelyn's got the redneck oil filler, haven't you? I'll wipe this, put it back in so we know what level we're going to. And then that's cleaned. Cap off. Miss Rose, can we have the redneck device? And where'd it go?
There.
Good girl.
Please, can I put it in there?
I don't think you can reach.
No, carry me up.
Carry you up and film at the same time?
Yeah.
Jesus wept. I'll be back. There we go. As if by magic. Thank you, Evelyn. Now what do we need to do?
I don't know.
Should we put some oil in it?
Yeah.
Will we put the oil sump plug back on? Sure? Okay. Excuse my mess of a garden. I got this one because it was 50% off, 5W40. Should we put this in?
Yeah.
Okay. I think it's about 4.5 litres. We'll find out. So that's everything back together. Oil in, took about 4.5 litres. This car is not on level ground though, I'll check it again after. Put the engine cover back on, put the engine tray underneath back on, and you're done. But I've actually got to do the thermostat on this next, so I need to drain the coolant in a future video.